In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Go High level sub-account and login info. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what details to enter, and how to make sure your new sub-account is ready for use. First, log into your Go High level agency dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Sub-Accounts in that sidebar. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage all of the individual accounts under your main agency account, whether they're for different clients, brands, or locations. Once you're on the sub-accounts page, look for a button that says Create Sub-Account. Click this button to start the setup process. This tells Go High Level that you want to add a brand new account under your agency, with its own settings, users, and assets. Next, you'll be asked to select a base or type for this new sub-account. On this screen, you might see different options or templates depending on your setup. Choose the one that best fits what you're creating. For example, if you're setting this up for a new client or a specific niche, pick the option that aligns with that use case. This helps pre-configure some of the settings and can save you time later. After you've chosen the appropriate option, click on Select and Continue. This will confirm your choice and take you to the next part of the process. If you're unsure, remember you can usually adjust many settings later, so focus on choosing the closest match for now. On the next screen, you'll see an option to Add Manually. Click on Add Manually to open the form where you'll enter the specific information for this sub-account. Adding it manually gives you full control over the details, such as the business name and contact information. Now, type in the details for the sub-account. This typically includes the business name, main contact name, email address, phone number, and any other required fields you see on the form. Make sure you enter accurate information here, because this is what will be used for login credentials, communication, and account identification. Double check spellings and email addresses. Small typos can cause login issues later. Once all the fields are filled out correctly, scroll down and click on Add Sub-Account. This will create the account under your agency and trigger the system to generate the login info based on the details you provided. After a moment, the new sub-account should appear in your sub-account list, ready